Well, we can say we have numerator, which is a linear function, and denominator a quadratic. In such case, we would like to express our numerator, which is x minus 1, as a time derivative of denominator, the quadratic in the denominator, dy dx of x squared minus 1 plus b. So a time derivative of denominator plus b. Now this means x minus 1 is equal to a times derivative of x squared minus 1 means 2x and plus b. So we get x minus 1 is equal to 2ax plus b. This means when you can equate the coefficient of x, so this will imply 2a, which is the coefficient of x on the right, is equal to the coefficient of the x on the left, 1. So means a is equal to 1 over 2. And equating the constant terms, here we have minus 1 and there you have b, so you can say b is equal to negative 1. So we get the value of a as well as b. That means our numerator, which is x minus 1, can be written as a time 2x, means a time a is half time 2x and minus 1. Yes, in fact, what we are saying is, we are saying our x minus 1 can be written as half time 2x, 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1. And the integral, if we represent this by I, will now look like half of 2x minus 1 divided by square root of x squared minus 1, which can be written as half of 2x. We can write it separately. Half of integration, this is dx of course. Half of integration 2x divided by square root of x squared minus 1 and minus dx minus integration of 1 over square root of x squared minus 1. So this question can be written as this. The first one, we can say half of I1 minus I2. Can we say this is same as half of I1 minus I2? Yes, that means our integral is equal to half of I1 minus I2. Now we would like to find this I1, which is this, and I2 separately. Let's see this I1, which is 2x over under root of x squared minus 1. So we are taking this I1, which is 2x divided by under root of x squared minus 1. Here, if we put x squared minus 1 is t, that will give 2x dx is equal to dt. So 2x dx is dt. That means your I1 gonna look like dt over square root of t. Well, this is same as t to power negative half of dt, which can be written as t to power n plus 1. So half plus 1 is half. So t to power half divided by half. Divided by half means multiplied by 2. 2t to power half plus 2t to power half plus c. We can say c1 since it is I1. So replacing the value of t we get our I1 as I1 would look like 2 t to power half means square root t plus c, which means 2 times square root of x square minus 1. This is c1, okay? X square minus 1 plus c1. So this is the value of I1. For I2, also, I2 was simple. It was integration of 1 over under root of x square minus 1. This is I2. So this means I2, this is formula 1 over under root x square minus a square, which is equal to log of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. We can state, since this is I2, so we can say the constant is C2. Finally, if you remember, we had said that I is equal to half of I1, minus I2. Replacing the value of I1, it would be half of I1 was 2 square root, this was the value of I1, no? 2 square root of x square minus 1 plus c1. Yeah, this was I1. And minus I2. Minus I2 means log of I2 was log of x plus square root of x square minus 1, like this, and plus c2. Yes. So this was I1 and I2. If we group them together, our I would look like half and half. This gets cancelled, no? Square root of x square minus 1 plus c1 by 2, half times c1, and minus log of x plus under root x square minus 1 plus minus c2. So we can write plus c for both, and we can say where c is equal to half c1 minus c2. Yes, so these are constant. The difference of the two constant will still be a constant. We are writing that by c. So that is your final answer.